In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a gaff hook and a golf club handle and show you how to make a sweet Great Lakes salmon trolling gaff. So we got a nice king back there, and I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to show you guys fishing solo. Boy, one of the best tools I've found is this little bugger. I took this hook, took the tang off, and then ground this up, roughen it so the epoxy had something to bite into. It's 0.21 diameter, so I had to open up my golf club a little bit with a drill bit. It's pretty nice. Now we'll just epoxy it in. Get our shaft, get some glue in there, and the epoxy's not going to bond chemically to the hook, but it's going to bond mechanically. It's going to fill in all those voids, and that won't be able to come out of there. Now we put them together. Just like that. Pull that off. Once it starts to get sticky, I put it upside down. Make sure it flows down. Okay, and you can see now it's gelled up. It's not perfect, but I wetted this whole tip out just in case there's any splinters or any cracking on the end of this. That'll help keep that tight. You could also wrap that with thread. Wrap the whole end of this maybe a ½ inch down and then epoxy that in. That would help keep that from splitting. Pretty simple. It's light and it's already got a handle. No slip handle. Stores real easy on the boat. Works great. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you can see this, guys. Come behind their head and that's all there is to it in the boat.